Hi there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we are going to delve into the world of the Internet of Things, or IoT, and how it's revolutionizing industries by enhancing maintenance and operations. We will explore its major applications, such as predictive maintenance, sensors and metering, building management, mileage tracking, and much more. Along the way, you'll also learn how pairing IoT with a CMMS like UpKeep can take your operations to the next level. So, let's get started. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is becoming more and more common in our homes and workplaces, especially in industrial settings. Today, we're going to explore how interconnected devices are being used in various applications. Our first stop is predictive maintenance. This is a major application of IoT technology in facilities. Predictive maintenance uses sensors, cameras, and other devices to collect real-time data from facility equipment. This data is then sent to a central software system that analyzes it and predicts future issues. The benefits of using IoT in predictive maintenance include streamlined maintenance processes, better equipment health, and fewer unplanned production downtimes. It's also more cost-effective than time-based preventive maintenance since work is only done when needed. But remember, while implementing predictive maintenance with IoT sensors can save you money, it's important to balance those savings against the initial investment. Start with your most critical assets, then expand from there. Industries like manufacturing, construction, healthcare, fleet management, oil and gas, food and beverage, and power and energy are already using this technology. Next, let's look at sensors and metering. IoT allows companies to keep a closer eye on the performance of their equipment. Meters and sensors send constant information around the clock to a centralized system, allowing technicians, operators, and other personnel to monitor their operation. For instance, in a food processing plant, smart meters continuously send readings on temperature-controlled areas and assets. If temperatures move outside established boundaries, personnel are notified instantly. Industries such as restaurants and hospitality, agriculture and farming, and healthcare are using this technology. It is also being adopted in oil and gas, home and vehicle, food processing and packing, retail, and fleet management. We then move to building management. Buildings rely on energy to function, and IoT devices play a key role in monitoring that energy usage. They also help maintain security and safety. Smart meters are often used in managing heating, cooling, and ventilation systems in buildings. They not only provide readings on the total energy used by a system, but also when that energy is used, allowing building managers to plan energy usage based on the actual needs of the facility. Industries like offices and commercial buildings, government, education, construction, and manufacturing are using this technology. It is also being implemented in churches and places of worship, restaurants and hospitality, oil and gas, and property management. Another application of IoT is mileage tracking. Organizations with fleet vehicles can benefit from this. Vehicles need specific types of maintenance at specific intervals, and mileage trackers can be used to trigger maintenance work orders whenever specific thresholds are reached. This allows tasks like oil changes, filter changes, fluid level checks and other inspections, battery checks and replacements, and mechanical upkeep to be completed on time. Industries like fleet management, shipping, transportation services, government, law enforcement, and public safety and education are using this technology. But mileage tracking is just one aspect of fleet management. Other metrics that should be closely monitored to keep a fleet operating in good condition and at minimal cost include driver behaviors, vehicle location, fuel levels and usage, and engine condition and performance. This data allows fleet managers to monitor the condition of each vehicle in real time and monitor driver behaviors. It aids in condition monitoring, allowing companies to keep their vehicles in peak operating shape. Industries like fleet management, shipping, public transportation, public safety and law enforcement, government, and education are using this technology. Next, we have asset tracking. Manufacturers and other industries understand the importance of keeping a close eye on their key assets, especially mobile ones. The location and status of vehicles, products, and other assets can be closely monitored through the use of IoT technology such as GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth tech. Industries like manufacturing, shipping and hauling, food and beverage, oil and gas, fleet management, warehousing and storage, and retail are using this technology. Finally, we have inventory management. Any organization that has to manage inventory can benefit from applying IoT technology to their inventory and supply chain management processes. For instance, Using a barcode system to give each item an RFID tag can help an organization track the movements of product and tools around their facility. Industries like manufacturing, shipping and hauling, retail, food and beverage, warehousing and storage, and construction are using this technology. Now, to make the most out of the data provided through IoT technology, it needs to be accessible. For maintenance teams, important data on assets, workflow processes, and inventory can be accessed through a CMMS, or computerized maintenance management system. Pairing IoT with a CMMS like UpKeep helps facilitate sensor integration, asset management, inventory management, and facility management. To wrap up, we've looked at how the Internet of Things is transforming industries and enhancing operations and maintenance. We've explored its applications in predictive maintenance, sensors and metering, building management, mileage tracking, and more. Remember, pairing IoT with a CMMS like UpKeep can take your operations to the next level. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your business, visit us at upkeep.com.